Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the meme update today. And check the top right of the video to know what the private really is. Now, speaking of the private, I want to show you a win that I had for meme as well. And by the way, I've actually redesigned Coinbase a little bit. Do you like this redesign? Just for practice purposes, I was doing it. Because on the other hand, I'm kind of a designer with the phone and stuff. Now if I do go down here on the Discord, I actually posted this some few days ago. So back at 22 of August, I said buy meme at 1102 and stop it here, and I said that I'll tell you when to sell, just keep the stops. So basically I ended up buying it, and look at it, right? 22%. So I bought it right over here, and it actually came right over here. Check the comment section for free invitation link on Discord, because I also gave a free trade for Bitcoin, a free signal for Bitcoin as well, and that actually is working out pretty well. We bought Bitcoin at 61k. Everyone on the Discord was actually there, got Bitcoin at 61k, and they're actually up like 5 to 6% for totally free money. So meme has done exceptionally well. What I'm going to do is, I still expect a little bit of a move higher, so because of the ascending triangle, and thank goodness I actually saw the ascending triangle right on time. Our entries were nearly right over here, okay, so somewhere right over there, and then we rode it all the way up. I actually sold it, but I think there's a little bit more push, and that's if we take the trend line and take the trend line from top to bottom. You could actually still expect that we're looking for 0.01456. Now I have actually entered another trade which is nearly 60% on the private, and I don't know if you're watching this video, but things are moving pretty quickly, and if you want to get into that as well, message me on Discord and let me know. It's just a very small time fee, and actually, of course, as I told you, on the top right you're going to find a video of what the private is. And that's pretty much it. I think we're still about to get here to this technical target, and before I even close the video, there's one more trend line you have to check out, and that is this one right over here. I'm actually going to take the logarithmic scale back, remove this. Okay, so the trend line here, you can see we have one touch, move down, move down, move down. Okay, so it could actually be that you move sideways like this, come up here, and actually touch that line one more time. So it makes a lot of sense to even come up to 0.014. So I would actually say 0.016 to 0.014 is actually something very possible. And that's all for the video on meme. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.